Welcome to English Guru channel. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for getting future updates. Today we are going to read indefinite articles a and an. How to use a and an. Ha and an are used for singular nouns. A is used for those nouns which are started from consonants, such as a pen, it is a pen; a book, it is a book; a marker, it is a marker; a table, it is a table. And an is used for those nouns which are started from vowels, such as an apple, it is an apple; an orange, it is an orange; an elephant, it is an elephant. If you don't know what is vowel and what is consonants, please see the link in descriptions. I have already taught the structure, vowels, consonants and semi-vowels. Please watch the video. There are some words which are started from consonants but still we use n for them, such as an hospital, an hotel, an hostel. Here each word is having the sound of vowels, so we are using n for them. Though the H is not a vowel, but the words are having vowel sound. And also there are such words which are started from vowels but still we use for them a not an, such as a university. We never say an university. This is due to the sound of any consonants. Here U is giving the sound of Y, so due to this we are saying a university, not an university. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and share the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for getting future updates.